focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's so nice to have you here watching this video, and let me know where you're watching from. Thank you. First, did we catch the new intro? Come on, my cousin made that for me, and it was so timely because I was already thinking of doing the new intro. So when she sent that to me, I was like, what? I love it so much. So if you need a number or you need something like that, let me know in the comment section, okay? Or you can text me on Instagram. Yeah, so guys, today I'm going to be showing you some styles that I did on my loose braids, right? I'll be freestyling a lot with this voiceover because I don't even know what I'm saying. I could not use the original voice because there was a lot of noise and I didn't know if this mic was going to work, but I don't even think it's still working. But yeah, guys, did you catch the first style? Yeah, it was a claw clip style, and yeah, I just back to the back and used the claw clip. And the second one is, I think we call it space puff or just 2 puffs, I don't know. And it leads to this third one where I just twisted the puffs and then pinned it down at the back. And the fourth one, this one I wanted to have like high puff, right, like this, but because I was not looking at the camera, I was using my back camera and I didn't know, I thought it was too high. I had to just, you know, bring it down a little bit, but I think it still came out really nice. What do you guys think? By the way, like I said, I'll be freestyling a lot with this voiceover and I might be leaving the frame in some of the videos because, like I said, I was using my back camera. So this one, I just twisted it, like I divided it into 2 and twisted it again, and I used this scrunchie. I rolled it around each other and I used this scrunchie. You can pin it down anyone. For this one, you guys already know that I'm a warrior. I'm a flat twist warrior. So I did a flat twist, like a side parting flat twist, and then I packed it at the back and left the remaining one like this. This is so cute. I actually thought of this style on the spot. For this one, I just packed it as a low bun to the back, and I think this style is actually versatile. You can pack like 2 or 3 other styles from some of the styles you've seen and will still see. Right, so this one, what's it called, side parting again. No braiding, no flat twisting, just, you know, side parting. I think side parting actually fits me when I do mini braids or mini twists. They come out really nice. Just know that this video is not complete without this style because it's my favorite style ever. And the final one, I just rolled it. I didn't flat twist, I rolled it and I pinned it to the back. So yeah, that's it guys. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know which one is your favorite and which one you'll be trying out. Okay, and you can tag me on Instagram when you do. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
So